Welcome to DIY creation. Today I'm going to show you my nail paint collection. Starting with the cheapest one. This is black one nail paint which I buy just rupees 10 rupees from the local store. Now moving other one. This is just rupees 15 rupees in light color from a local store. Now moving to other one. This is in shade green and purple. I pay for this 25 rupees. Now moving on to other next one. I buy this one from a local store. I pay for it 45 rupees. Now moving on other one. This is just rupees 45 each. This one is transparent and other one is golden glittery shade. Now moving to other one, and again this is from local store, just rupees 70 of each one. Now moving other next one. This is a nail paint pack from a Micron, just rupees 250. I can provide you a link in description box. If you want a review of this nail paint, please comment down below. There are 5 different colors and different shades. There are lots of shades available in a website. You can buy according to your choice. Now the time for the last one and expensive one nail paint in my collection. Before going on to last one, make sure you like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get updated when I post it. And this is nail paint from Manish Malhotra brand. I can provide you link in description box. If you want to buy it, you can buy this one, and its price 300. That's it for today's video, and this is my entire nail paint collection. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please make sure you like, subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.